Here's what I eat in a day as a mom in her 40s who's lost 70 pounds naturally and been maintaining it for years. So this morning I decided to make a fruit bowl. All of the fall fruits are in season. So I grabbed some bananas, some pears, some cuties, and then some pomegranate, which is my favorite this time of year. It made a gorgeous fruit bowl. Now, today is Sunday, so I got to enjoy a very leisurely, relaxed morning. I had no homeschooling to do, no errands to run, so I just took my time. Then I got dressed to take Nacho for his morning walk, and we like to do about 40-minute walk in the morning. We saw a beautiful buck on our property. Then for lunch, I filled these little sweet bell peppers with like nacho fillings, and those were really good and fresh. And then I also made this wrap that I filled with some good fresh ingredients, and that was really good and filling. Then later in the afternoon, I had some honeydew, and of course, Nacho always gets his piece. And then I noticed it started snowing outside, which means that it was time to make a fire in the fireplace, which is my favorite place to sit all winter long. So then for dinner, I made this cauliflower curry, which is so delicious. This is in my newest weight loss guide and cookbook, Plantifully Simple, which you can get in stores and on Amazon. But I'll show you guys how to make that this week. And then for dessert, I had like this banana cream pie. And then we finished the evening giving Nacho lots of lovies.